Beef steak sandwiches are on the menu today. Do you want to make this insanely easy gourmet sandwich at home with just a few basic ingredients? Well, then you're gonna have to watch the video all the way to the end and go on and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. We will be using 2 pounds of beef skirt steak for this recipe. Make sure the steaks are thin cut so that they cook fast and evenly. You can use tenderloin steaks or flank steaks if you prefer. We will add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, or you can use Worcestershire sauce. I will be seasoning with Montreal steak seasoning. I am using 3 tablespoons of this, which means 1.5 tablespoons per pound of steak. And this already includes salt, black pepper, red pepper, garlic, onion, paprika, and some other herbs that will make the steaks delicious. I love some extra heat, so I will be adding 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes. Let's add 1 tablespoon of mustard, and I am using spicy brown. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix everything together. Let it marinate, let it sit for an hour or overnight for best results. When you are ready to cook, add about a tablespoon of oil to a pan on medium-high heat. Now place the steaks in an even layer and cover and cook for 5 minutes per side. After 5 minutes, I'm going to flip these over and cover and cook again for 5 more minutes. Look at that beautiful color. It is perfect. And these steaks are ready. Let's remove these and continue cooking the rest of our steaks. Let's look at our sandwich toppings. We will be using thinly sliced onion, some pickles, sliced tomato, and some lettuce leaves. I will be using hoagie rolls today, but you can use any crusty bread of your choice. Let's generously slather butter on our bread and toast our rolls on a hot griddle. You can use a panini press if you prefer. Now generously spread mayo on both sides. Next, add some spicy brown or Dijon mustard. Add the toppings. Let's place that juicy, delicious steak on top. I am going to be using provolone cheese today, but you can use mozzarella, or you can even skip out the cheese if you want to. My sandwich is incomplete if I do not add seared hot chilies. And there you go. This easy and extremely delicious sandwich is ready. You do not need to go to any fancy sandwich place to enjoy a gourmet sandwich. You can make this at home for a fraction of the price. And believe me, this is so much superior in taste and quality than any restaurant. Don't forget to subscribe and share this recipe with your family and friends. I'll be back soon with more easy and delicious recipes.